Okay, this is for Algebra 1, November 7th. We are checking the inequalities 3 through 10 on page 85 in the packet I gave you. So your answers should be as followed. This inequality, it's a compound, it's an and statement. So all the numbers that are between -3, not including -3, and 2, but also including 2. So all the numbers between -3 and up to +2 and including 2. This is also a compound statement. So we have 7 less than x, which is also less than 14. Remember, open circles, it's not equal to. All right, here we have an or statement. So your x is either less than -7, or you have to have that or there. X is greater, oops, we need equal to sign there, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to -4. Then another or statement. So all your numbers less than or equal to 4, or x, all your numbers greater than 6, no equal sign. Okay, so let's double check that. Open, none, close, equal. Open, none, closed, equal, closed, equal, closed, equal, open, none. Remember, you must have in numerical order. Okay, so that's going to come into effect a little bit later. So make sure numerical order when you write an and statement. And when you write an and statement, both your arrows should be saying the same thing, going the same direction. Or statements, if you have your variable on the left, then your inequality sign should be facing the opposite direction. So if you have your if you have your variable on the left, inequality sign should be facing in opposite directions. Okay, this one. Now we're writing the number sentence as an inequality, and you're going to graph it. So this is where some of you might need a little bit more help with this. But sometimes you have to read it 2 or 3 times. I know I do. A number p is less than or equal, a number p is less than 6 and greater than 2. Okay, so it's less than 6 and greater than 2. Okay, so here this one is going to key. So it's less than 6 and greater than 2. So it's going to be, p is your variable, so it's going to be between 2 and greater than 2, so it's not equal to, and is less than 6, so it's not equal to. So your number line is going to look something like this. Maybe your zeros here, 2, 4, 6. I always like to put numbers like another increment past where I want to be. So I'm going to do an open circle on 2 and 6, and connect it. Make sure your increments are equal. You really should have arrows there too. A number n is less than or equal to -7 or greater than 12. Okay. A number n is less than or equal to -7, or this or is the one you want to look for, not this one. It's or greater than 12. So this is an or statement. So number n is less than or equal to -7 or greater, so same one, you need that variable also, or greater than 12. So this is going to be an or compound inequality. So we have, okay, now look at your numbers, -7 and 12, so this kind of varied. Of course it's not even, so that's not going to be beautiful. This is going to be a mess. All right, so let's do 0. Let's go by 6s. 6, 6, 12, and -12, and we can throw the 7 right there. Just your increments have to be the same. So I'm going to say, oh, I really should go 18. All right, so open circle that way, close circle this way. And that is such a mess. I hope you can see that. Ooh, check out this next one. A number m is more than -2 and 3. -7 and 2/3, or at most -10. Number m is more than, I think my time is up for this recording. I gotta pause it.